Hey everyone, this is Naya with Alastin Skincare, and I'm here at Stoker Plastic Surgery in Marina Del Rey, and to share a little bit about our Alastin Skincare Restorative Neck and Decollete. So this is one of the medical grade skincare lines that they offer their patients here at the practice. And a lot of patients don't realize that the skin on our neck and décolleté is actually very different than the skin on our face, which is why we have these specialty products for different areas. So a couple things about the neck and décolleté area is it does age faster due to something called trans-epidermal water loss, which affects the barrier function and the aging of the skin. The product is nice and lightweight. You can wear it morning and evening. And as you continue use, you'll start to notice texture, fine lines, tightening, improvement in blood vessels and sun damage. It's a very easy product to use, very effective, and you can get it here at Stoker Plastic Surgery in Marina Del Rey.